Hi everyone, today's video I'll share a tips to speed up the Telegram download so you can enjoy faster access to your files. Let's get started. First, you need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Having a stable connection is the key to faster downloads. If you're on your mobile data and experiencing a low speed, switch to Wi-Fi connection for potentially better experience. You can also try restarting your router or toggling the airplane mode to refresh your connection. Keeping Telegram updated ensures you're using a latest version with potential performance improvements. Here's how to update. Go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then search for Telegram. If an update is available, tap Update to download and install it. To clear the Telegram's cache and improve its performance, hold the Telegram app icon on your phone's home screen or app drawer. Tap the app info from the menu. Select the storage usage or the storage and cache, and then tap the clear cache to free up space and resolve any lingering issues that may slow down the downloads. This small tweak can make a big difference. And also, for a faster download, you might want to upgrade the Telegram Premium. Premium features include a faster download speeds, unlimited cloud storage, exclusive stickers, and ability to read message without sending or send receipt. And that's it. Try these steps to speed up your Telegram downloads. And also, if you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions below. Thanks for watching!